Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat lag and temporarily disable. This is a very easy tutorial. So all you need to do is just to go to Snapchat first. And to tell you honestly, this one is very easy because the only solution for this one is to make sure that Snapchat is updated on your Play Store or on your Apple Store. So you go to Snapchat and you need to make sure that the button here that says open is update. If it's update, then you need to update it. But in my case, it says open, so I need to open it. As you can see, I can log in to Snapchat. I can log in whatever account I'm gonna use. So that's it for today. That's all you need to do just to update Snapchat. If you have a problem, log in temporarily disable. Thank you so much for watching.